everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet back post half double crochet stitches. This is back post half double crochet stitches. Slip knot, take tail of yarn, fix this yarn with thumb. Insert your hook under this yarn. Take this yarn and pull up yarn. Tie yarn. Take hook and yarn with these fingers. Work by these fingers. This is in right hand and left hand. Take hook, take yarn. Like this. Yarn over, pull up yarn, make a chain. Yarn over, pull up yarn, make a chain, and continue to chaining. I made 10 chains in here. Add 2 more chains. To start, make half double crochet. Skip 2 chains, 2 chains. Yarn over, go to this chain, insert your hook into this chain, yarn over, pull up yarn. Now we have 1, 2, 3 yarns on hook. Yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together. Yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together. Yarn over, go to next chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 3 yarns together, and make half double crochet stitches. Yarn over, go to last chain, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together. For make back post half double crochet stitches, after first row make 2 chains, turn it, yarn over, take this stitch I show, take this stitch on your hook, from back like this, insert your hook, from back of work into front of this stitch, and take from back, yarn over, make a loop around this stitch, pull through 3 yarns together and make 1/2 double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook from back into front of this stitch, take this stitch on your hook, make a loop, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, Insert your hook from back into front of work. Take this stitch, make a loop, pull through. This is back post, half double crochet stitches. Yarn over, back post, half double crochet, make 1 2 chains, turn it, take this stitch from back into front of work, yarn over, make half double crochet, make 1 2 chains, turn it, and continue same as before round. This is back post, half double crochet stitches.